color of the day is yellow, and we are jumping right in. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Remember that? Okay, anyway. So I'm doing just like a little bit of a base here. I love, I'm laughing at this. I look like I got punched in the eye, but I'm just laying down the base for the makeup to come. I love a good chunky stick or like a paint pot situation. I will likely always be doing that. Using this palette I got ages ago and cannot find again. I got it off of Amazon years ago, and literally I haven't been able to find this daggone palette ever again, and it's a shame because the colors in it are really vibrant and beautiful, and it's just like a good palette. So right here is where I feel like I messed up now that I'm looking back on it, right? I did a black base, which you saw, and then I went back and I used like a dark brown, thinking maybe that was the move, and it definitely wasn't. So at some point in this video, you'll see me go back to using a black shadow. Black and yellow. Okay, so here's Carousel, which is like a paint pot base that I'm gonna be using just to cut my crease. Like whenever I have the color on hand to cut the crease, I'll usually do that over using white or like a brown concealer. This is a very quick cut crease. Not perfect at all, not in the slightest. Even in a rush though, the key is to just keep going back and forth between the different eyes, just making sure things kind of match up as best you can. And then you'll see I'm doing kind of a wing. If you look up, close your eyes, look up again, that's usually how you can find the line of your crease. See, there's the black. Going in with the yellow. It's almost like a lime yellow now that I'm looking at it again. But I dig it. I'm really into it. You can see there was a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. I'm just gonna wipe it away and swoop up around the eyes, because that's how you kind of get that cat eye shape. Putting the wings back. Going in with black eyeliner to line the top lids. And meeting that line that already exists. I was just kind of testing out whether or not I wanted yellow lips. And I was like, let me just dab this here and then I can decide as I go along. But that's the paint pot that I used to cut the crease on my lips. Doing a little under eye concealing, little powder down, you know, the usual works. Going in with my Morphe blush. This is just like a little wine color they have. My favorite bronzer from NYX. Love this freaking bronzer. My saturation is up really high for this video because I just thought it looked better. But trust that in real life it was blended. Going back in with my powder. Just a little clear gloss. And then wiping away the excess powder. That was like a very light baking situation. Going in with my setting spray. This one's a little bit more on the dewy side, just because I just wanted a particular finish this time around. I don't always do dewy, as someone who's naturally dewy. Going back and just kind of getting rid of some of those blotches. And this time I didn't do lashes, but actually looking back, I should have done lashes. But sometimes a natural lash is okay. But here you go. This is my yellow look for my rainbow series. Period.